Welcome to TLDR Tech. This is part of our SQL Server series. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to filter your query data using their where statement. The where statement is broken down into three main sections. First, we specify the where keyword. Next, which column we want to filter on. Finally, the filter condition. So in the query here, we are asking to return all data where the last name column is equal to Devolio. When we execute, we can see one result is returned. If we want to find all employees who live in Seattle, we can change the last name column to city and set it to Seattle. Running the query again shows there are 2 employees from Seattle. The 2 queries we've run so far have been querying exact values. We can also perform a partial match on string values. So for example, if we want to find employees with the job title containing the word sales, we can use the like keyword. Using the like keyword, we can use the % as a wildcard character to find any data that begins with sales. We can query fields that contain number values also. For example, find all employees having an employee ID greater than 4, which in this case returns employees with IDs with values. We can do the same thing with dates. If we want to find employees hired after the 1st of January 1993, we can query the hire date column. We can search dates between 2 values too using the between keyword. The last thing I want to show you today is chaining multiple where clauses together with the in keyword. If we want to find employees hired after 1992 and live in London, we can use the in keyword to join multiple clauses together. So, that's a basic overview of the where statement in SQL Server. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Next in the series, we're going to be looking at extending the select statement by showing you how to group your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.